Hi ladies, it's Dr. Cat Brown, the medical director at Winona, with your hot topic for the month of July. And many women want to know, are hormonal mood swings just a stereotype? Actually, no. There are so many fluctuations happening in your body in midlife, and your hormones can be all over the place. And this really can affect your moods. There's just so much going on in your body, and sometimes it's hard for your body to keep up. So we tend to have a shorter fuse. We tend to have a little less resilience, especially when we're not getting the sleep that we need, when our body is not as even keeled as we want it to be. So it's not just a stereotype. It's not just some, wastebasket diagnosis, but it can really happen. And the best way that you can prevent it is by taking your medications regularly, optimizing your sleep hygiene so that you get a good night's sleep, because that really helps overall health and wellness for everybody, no matter what your gender or your age. The more restorative sleep that you get, the better, more even keeled you are, and the better able you are to deal with changes in your mood. So take this information and hopefully use it to help yourself in the future.